You know what's always given robots away. It's not the metal body. It's not the stiff movements. It's the pauses. That awkward moment where a robot stops, thinks, then acts, like it's buffering real life. But this one doesn't stop. And that's why THEMIS Gen 2.5 feels different. Not smarter, not faster, more human. Let me show you why. Most humanoid robots today work like this. Walk, stop, think, pick something up, stop again, then move. That's fine for demos. It looks cool on stage, but in the real world, factories, warehouses, hazardous environments, that hesitation kills efficiency. Humans don't work that way. We grab things while moving. We adjust mid-step. We don't freeze just because our hands are busy. THEMIS Gen 2.5 finally figured that out. This robot can walk and manipulate objects at the same time. That sounds simple until you realize how insanely hard that is. Balancing a full humanoid body while applying force with your arms without tipping, overheating, or glitching has been one of the biggest unsolved problems in robotics. Most companies avoided it completely. Westwood Robotics didn't. Here's where things get interesting. THEMIS Gen 2.5 isn't just a small update, it's a rethink. The structure itself has been reinforced for 40% greater impact resistance. Not because robots fall all the time, but because real work isn't gentle. Then there are the arms. 7 degrees of freedom, over 5 kilograms of peak payload per arm. That means real tools, real containers, real tasks. But the quiet hero here is lower down. The hips. Westwood introduced something called mountain bear actuators in the hip joints, and these things are monsters. They deliver over 120% more torque while producing around 80% less heat. That matters more than it sounds. Heat is the silent killer of humanoid robots. More heat means shorter work cycles, slower movements, and forced cooldowns. THEMIS doesn't need to tap out early. It can keep moving, keep working, keep producing, just like a human shift worker, minus the coffee breaks. But hardware alone doesn't make a robot feel human. The real shift happens in the brain. Westwood rolled out something called AOS, AI-Augmented Humanoid OS. Think of it less like software and more like coordination. AOS is built around 3 core ideas working together all the time. The first is whole body control. Instead of treating walking and arm movement as separate problems, THEMIS controls its entire body as one system. Every step, every reach, every adjustment is fused together in real time. No hesitation, no reset moments. The second piece is navigation. Not just mapping walls and obstacles, but actually understanding the space semantically, where objects are, where they should go, and how to move through the environment without constant recalculation. This is why THEMIS doesn't feel lost when it's carrying something. It knows where it's going. And then there's the part that really changes everything, the interaction system. It's powered by something called OC-VAM, an object-centric vision action model. Ignore the fancy name. Here's what it means in plain terms. THEMIS doesn't just see objects. It understands how to use them. Different shapes, different weights, different handling strategies. It plans actions efficiently without brute forcing every possibility. That's why it can grasp, walk, and place objects smoothly, even switching hands when needed. Ambidextrous, deliberate, confident. That's not robotic behavior, that's trained behavior. And yes, this isn't just theory. THEMIS has already been shown handling hazardous waste, carrying containers, identifying target items, grasping safely, disposing with controlled motion. No jerky movements, no panic corrections, no dramatic pauses. Just steady, intentional work. This is the moment where humanoid robots quietly cross a line, because once a robot can manipulate while moving, it's no longer stuck in staged demos. It becomes deployable. Warehouses, factories, dangerous cleanup, industrial logistics, places where stopping isn't an option. And there's something else you should know. Westwood Robotics isn't new to this game. They're a spin-off from UCLA Robotics and Mechanisms Laboratory, the same lab behind the Artemis humanoid, famous for its speed and agility. That DNA is everywhere in THEMIS. This isn't a startup guessing its way forward. It's academic research finally escaping the lab and stepping onto the factory floor. So no, THEMIS Gen 2.5 doesn't feel human because it looks human. It feels human because it works like one. It doesn't freeze. It doesn't overthink. It doesn't stop just because the task got complicated. It adapts. It moves. It finishes the job. And that's the part that should get your attention, because the humanoid race isn't about who looks the most futuristic anymore. It's about who can actually work. And right now, THEMIS is moving ahead without stopping.